is so much to learn from our ancestors. Their experiences and achievements teach us that leadership lives in us. Being connected to our heritage requires curiosity. Keep your ancestors close to your heart, for we have them to thank for the opportunities we enjoy today. Look at the names around the stars. Discover your ancestors and learn more about them. You can gather information from the library or a bookstore or the internet. So this is achievements, this is name, source, author, and there's some names here. And there's also some more names at the beginning, and also some at the end. And it's because you are going to be researching the ancestors. Like if you get the journal, you might see some of this and you might not know what it is, but it's actually for researching like one of the ancestors. So you get to choose on your own. And that's the best part of it.